All right. I think we got a robin over there. Just kidding. It's a cardinal. Good old cardinal. But yeah, today's is a short. Thanks to VT Wraps from Vermont. I got the wrap here to finish the bumper. Without you, bro, I would not be here right now doing this short. I got a few other little things. Some of the stuff's, not expensive really. It's more on the cheap side, but it's stuff that will work. I didn't really need all this stuff, but whatever. It's easier to cut the wrap. I'm going to sand down a few things. I might go get a few more different grips, styles. It's not really nothing major that I have to grind down. This to help me get around the fog lights and stuff to trim around them. Clay bar, obviously. Bottle, water, a little bit of soap. Clean up that bumper, bugs and stuff on it, using the clay bar on that. Then obviously this, I'll show you an example of what this tape will do on the old bumper. Right here. This one's a wrecked bumper. But yeah, right here they're on the fog lights. That way we can get like a nice clean cut around it. That's why my bumper is black, so this black part can show, kind of like a nice little essence, whatever you want to call it. So as you can see, this one's black now. So I'm going to use that knifeless tape around here. Maybe have the piece of it stick into here. So when I wrap over, make a little cut, then pop that tape. You get. It's my first time wrapping the front bumper, which is going to be a pain in the ass, I think. But yeah. So that's basically the knifeless wire tape, whatever you want to call it, going around these edges and stuff. At least I have the old bumper to kind of get an idea, even though I already do. But yeah, we're going to break that all down. I got to take apart the front end here. The fog lights I can leave, but I'm going to take off the grill, the headlights, and make things a little more accessible, I guess you could say, so I can get in there and get some stuff done. This is an Avery wrap, for those who do not know. Avery is like literally, some people are going to pay a little bit more for it, but it's a damn good brand, one of the top brands out there. There's 3M, there's Avery, everybody's got their own to pick from, but 3M and Avery are, Vivid. There's others out there that are pretty good. Oracle's pretty, it's up there as well. But Avery is a good wrap. Literally, it's like a beginner wrap. So if you're trying to learn, this would be a good wrap to learn on. Like I said, the price can be up there depending on what colors, what wrap you choose. Mine's a color shift, so it's it's up there. But Avery is a very damn good wrap and really not hard to use. It's pretty thin, so it's a really good product to use. So yeah, I got all these tools over here to kind of help me out. I was expecting gloves to show up, but apparently the gloves are undeliverable, is what the email said. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to get some nylon style gloves to help it glide over on my right hand, just to give it a little extra help. You don't need it, but I'd prefer to have it. But yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So probably this weekend, I'm going to knock it out solo. I might have a buddy come over and help me, just to try and hold the end up or something like that. I do got, speaking of that, magnets, right here. I got 4. So how this works, basically, if I want to put that wrap on the front, you know what I mean? I can wrap around it, hold it up while I pull the inside out going around the bumper. If you guys don't watch wrap videos, you can kind of get the idea. But yeah, I just, measure my wrap out, how much I'm going to be using of that. Tape it there. So if it's just me, not tape it, but magnet. Some people actually pull the tape off in the corner and tape it there. You know what I mean? Like put the vinyl onto the fender. So, but yeah, I'm going to use the magnets to help me then go on the inside of the wrap, the vinyl there, and peel the part off on the back part where it sticks, and then stick it on here. And we'll go from there. But like I said, that video will be up next. Today's basically a little short. I'm going to take the car out because I thought, I don't know if I either hit a bump or if there was like a sputter or something. I'm not sure. But I'm going to take the car out. We're going to see if the car runs okay. If there's some issues there, I might have to dig into that as well. But yeah, it's actually going to be a nice day today. Of course, tonight's supposed to rain. And then tomorrow, rain. And then I think Saturday is like thunderstorms. But Saturday's supposed to be like 70. And I wanted to wait till we got better weather because I live in Wisconsin. And we get kind of shit weather off and on. In April, it's either a hit or miss. But Saturday's supposed to be nice, so Saturday I'm going to wrap that bumper. That's how we're going to do it. All right, let's turn that off, this down, because I got subs in here again. I'll take them out when we actually go track racing or whatnot. All right, I took the camera off, or the mic off of the phone, because if I have it on, it's just going to distort and shut off. The mic I have for my phone to record on YouTube does not like this car. So let's go. guys probably can't see traffic coming, but I can. All right. I'm not really getting on it. We got the windows up. Sorry, I had a one-hand shift there, but I'm not trying to really rip on it, just trying to, you know, get into it a little bit. But for the most part, it seems all right. But I still feel like that is clogged a little bit. I mean, it's hard to explain that. I mean, the right side passenger side gave out, and I think the left side is basically doing the same thing. If it happens, I'll be sure to record it and let you guys know. Keep you updated on that. All right, we're gonna drive the car forward. You can hear the rattling. That's the cat's giving out, so I'm right. It sounds like that when your cat's giving out and it's kind of like clogged up in there, so it's bouncing around in there. Lovely. So yeah, I'm gonna park it forward because we're gonna lift it up. I got an LED light up here, so we're gonna use that to help out with the bumper in the front when we get to doing it. Yeah, you can hear it rattling around. So hopefully I can get that shit out. All right. Suppose you guys don't want to see this, but you know, just clear bar. Don't know if I'm really doing it right, but it's doing something. All right. But I am taking off. It is taking off quite a bit of stuff, so that's doing good. Keep in mind, I got this whole thing wet, but I'm going through and spraying, going through, you know. Turn this over when it gets, you know, when I get shit in there. It's getting quite a bit of stuff in here, so we're doing good. That's my main goal, is to try and get everything I can off of here. I see people wrap their stuff and don't even do this. I just want to make sure it's done right. That way we can move on to bigger and better things like wrap it. All right. See you guys in a bit.